Yeah, hi, this is Mike Ellis. I want to talk a little bit about the psychology of the market today. I have a lot of people coming onto our team right now that are interested in cryptocurrency and want to take advantage of everything cryptocurrency. And the psychology of the market is really, really important to understand, especially when you're coming in and you have that little tinge of fear about getting into cryptocurrency. The first thing I want to talk about is risk. And when you come into any financial market, you really do need to calculate the risk involved in investing in any market. And Bitcoin is no different than any other financial entity. And when you look at the risk in Bitcoin, what I saw last year, I saw people coming in as Bitcoin was going up, getting in at that 16, 17, 19,000 range, thinking that Bitcoin was going to go up to 25, 50, $100,000 in the next 3 months. And it was just based on greed. That's all it was. It was total greed. And what happened to these people, because they really didn't calculate the risk involved in cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency, as we know, it bounces up and down a lot. It has a lot of volatility. So when you look at any market, you really have to calculate the risk. And it's not hard to do if you just step back and look at the big picture. The next thing I want to talk about is greed and fear. And those two emotions really are major factors in moving any market, especially cryptocurrency. And as we look at cryptocurrency last November, when it started to go up big time, a lot of people were jumping on board, even as we got into the over the 15,000 range, 16, 18, 19,000. And it was strictly greed. They just wanted to make as much money as they could. And I understand that. But greed is no reason to get into a market, because eventually it will bite you on the butt. And what happened with these people, a lot of them, and I saw this last year, is they got in at the top. It came down and started to go back up. They bought more. Came down, started to go back up. They bought more. And they were buying at very high prices. And then it just took a plunge down to here and then to here over a very, very short period of time. And of course, all of that greed turned into fear, because they thought Bitcoin was just going to crater, go down to zero, and they were going to lose everything. So many of these people actually sold their Bitcoin, got out of the market, and really haven't looked at it since. So it's a matter of greed going up, and when it comes down, fear. And when you get to the bottoms here and you have a great deal of fear happening, you still have people that will buy and sell. But these two areas right here were areas of tremendous fear. And of course, right now, because of what Bitcoin has done over, say, the 1st of May to today, because it's had a pretty precipitous decline, if you look at all the social media, if you look at the news outlets, if you look at different people talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, it's all about fear. So fear and greed really move the markets, and it's really fun to watch and see that happen. Now, what's happened with Bitcoin right now, and I want to show you this one chart, really interested. This is the interest over time for Bitcoin. As you can see, as it was going up, tons and tons of interest. And of course, this is where the greed kicks in. This is where people were buying. And then Bitcoin took a pretty precipitous drop, and the interest left because there was a ton of fear out there. And right now, we are at a really great point, guys. And the reason I tell you that is because the crowd has exited Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And right now, there's a tremendous amount of fear about crypto, getting into cryptocurrency. Will it go lower? What's going to happen? And when you find these points, they're really great points to look at cryptocurrency very seriously as an entry level. And I believe right now, if we bring this chart in just a little bit, you can see that this support level right in here goes all the way back to October. It's a really strong support level, and I believe we're getting really close to the bottom and a really good time to buy Bitcoin. And the reason I believe that is because the crowd, they're out. They don't want anything to do with cryptocurrency. So as you're coming into cryptocurrency, especially on our team, really, really important to understand the psychology of the market, what's happening right now, and really how fortunate you are to be in cryptocurrency, especially on Marty's and my team. Marty's my partner. We know what's happening. We've been through this before, and we see great opportunity in 2018 in doing very, very well with cryptocurrency, with Bitcoin and the altcoins. Now, right now, because Marty and I are so busy, I am not picking my own coins. I have a company that gives daily live signals that I use, and they're just absolutely phenomenal. I talked to one of the big hitters the other day, and he's been doing the live signals since about December, mid-December of last year. And over the course of the last 5 months, he's turned 5 Bitcoin into 53 Bitcoin. And I don't tell you that to tell you that's what you're going to get in the future. Past results don't guarantee future results. But I tell you that just to show you that these signals work really, really well, and that Marty and I are really, really happy with it. We look forward to using it for the next 12 months. I think we're going to be really ahead of the game, and the bottom line is going to look really, really good. And that's in Unify. There will be a link down below if you want to take a look at what we're doing and how we're capitalizing on everything cryptocurrency. If you agree with what I'm what I'm saying here, give me a thumbs up down below. If you don't, leave a comment and let me know what you think, and we can have a little conversation. Obviously, if you like the video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'll have more videos coming out really every week, and we try and do really, really good quality videos that will help people in cryptocurrency and taking advantage of cryptocurrency. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to look at the psychology of this market. Come on in, join Marty and I, watch our videos. I think we're going to have a great 2018, and as we move forward, we are going to show you that. And yeah, we're going to have some fun. Before I leave, I want to show you this trend line right here. And of course, the trend lines are our friends. This is a downtrend line. We're right down here. When it gets above this trend line, I think it's going to be a great buying opportunity. Obviously, I just showed you the support level right here, which is right at, it's right around 50, 58.39, somewhere right in there. But the trend lines are our friend. We're going to continue to show you those as we move forward. I hope this helped. Look at the psychology and really approach this with no emotion whatsoever. It doesn't need to be there. No greed, no fear. We just do what the charts tell us to do, or in my case, what the signal company tells me to do. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the upside.